Hi friends, I recently ordered a digital portable air compressor, and this is the one from Peztio stores, and I recently received it. Now I'll be just unboxing it and let's see what's inside and how it works. This is the box, and inside you have a car charger, some nozzles, and this is the air cable which connects to the inflator. This is a USB to C charger cable, and I'll just keep this box aside. We have some documentation in it, and this is the charger in a very neat carry bag, and I'm honestly very impressed. The build quality is pretty good. This is the LCD screen. These are the buttons. In most of the videos I've seen, these buttons are not clear, but if you see, they're pretty clear here. This is the power button. This is, I guess, the brightness or something. We'll just look into it what these are. And this is the plus and the minus button to, I guess, change the pressure. This is the charging cable slot where this goes in. We have a charging port here, and this is where this air outlet comes out. We have a small torch as well. So let's see how it works. I'll first turn it on, and it turns on. There's this scratch guard kind of plastic thing which I'll just remove. Display is pretty good, pretty neat. This is what it shows, how much battery is there. So there are 2 bars right now, and I believe this should have, if you look closely, it has total number of 4 bars, so it is at 50% battery. To turn it on, this is this switch here, this one, it's to change the unit from PSI, bar, kPa, and kilogram per centimeter square. This is the light, the torch, the little torch that we have, and this is the plus and the minus button where you can change this. And this is how you turn it on. Sorry, it's too loud. So you basically change how much air you want, and when you press this button again, it just powers up. So now we'll do a quick test in inflating my son's some toy balls. There's a soccer ball and there's another ball. We'll just do a quick test of that. So I got a soccer ball, and you see it has not too much of air in it. I already connected this end here. You can connect either anyways. On the other side, there is this a nozzle for the ball which goes in here. I will just put it here, and let's see how it does perform. And you see, in a couple of seconds, I mean, it's pretty hard now, so I'm actually impressed in how this is performing. This is a great pump. Now we'll just test another one. If you see, this is also not, it does not have too much of air in it. We'll do the same thing here. We'll put in the nozzle inside this. So you have to put the nozzle and then press this lever down, and you put it in here. The best thing which I like about this is that if you are at home, you don't need to, generally what I used to do with the traditional inflator, I would connect it to the car, turn the car on just to ensure the battery is good and connected, and then inflate the ball. Now I don't have to do that. So you see it is, it also gives a percentage here on how much is done. I just don't want to do that now because it is pretty filled up. I don't want to blow this up. Now coming to the documentation, we have a user manual here. It's pretty neatly printed. I don't know if many of us will use it. It's pretty intuitive on how this will work. And then you have a warranty card. It says that it has warranty, all the email addresses are there, and you know, it's good. I like it. I'm glad I made this purchase. Hello guys, now we'll test this inflator by filling up air in this car tire. It is slightly underinflated, so we'll top it up. So this takes like 36, I believe. And we'll start.